वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्य समप्रभा गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु। ओम श्री महागणाधिपतये। Good evening to all. Good evening, children. Yeah. I think you got your questions for your projects that what I gave the last working day or before last working day. Trigonometry projects. I think till now means you made your groups already. Group leaders are already known to you. And group members, I think you know it very well. So I already told you the rubrics. The project is for 20 marks, children. Project is for 20 marks. 20 marks. 10 marks is only for very nice model, excellent model. Okay, 10 marks for beautiful model, working model. Okay, na? The remaining 10 marks, 5 marks for Viva questions. 5 marks for Viva. And remaining 5 marks for chart preparation. Charts, minimum 2 charts you have to make, maximum 4 charts. Minimum 2, maximum 4. Okay, children? So go through the question properly, read, understand. Just try to understand the question, that you have to imagine. It is like a art integration project. You have to imagine your how to represent the question in the real, in the model. You have to imagine that one. Okay, na? So here it is not once. One cannot complete that project. One student cannot complete that project. So that's why I told you to make groups yourself. Okay, na? To complete the project and you have to submit. You don't know Santoshi. Who is Santoshi? Santoshi. Student name? Ask your friends. Vaishali. You are not there last few days now. So that's why you don't know your group. Ask your friends to join you in their group. Anyone? You didn't take my permission. Last 2 days you are absent, na? There is no information from your parents also. Vaishali. That means you can take leaves just like that on your own. And even your parents not inform me. Even one day also you have to inform me now, last working day. I gave you projects. Okay. Keep it with your leave letter. Why I need leave letter? Is the leave letter sufficient, Vaishali? You tell me. Children, read the question on the board. Alpha, beta are the zeros of x square minus 5x plus k, and alpha minus beta is 1. Find the value of k. This is the question. Any idea from your side? Any idea? Alpha comma beta are the zeros of x square minus 5x plus k, and alpha minus beta is 1. We need to find out the k value. Any idea? I am waiting for your answers, children. Alpha minus beta value is given as 1, and it is also given alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. How to find out the value of k? So let us think how to solve this problem. Alpha, beta are the zeros. Then what is the relation between zeros and coefficients? Immediately we have to go there. Relation between zeros and coefficients. Relation between zeros and coefficients. What is the relation between zeros and coefficients? Anyone? Relation between zeros and coefficients. Anyone? Children? What is minus b by a, c by a? Nikhil? What is minus b by a, c by a? What are they? No one answering? Is everyone there or simply? Very good, Indrani. Very good. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha plus beta minus b by a, which is here a is 1, b negative 5, c k. So minus b by a means minus of minus 5 by 1. So alpha plus beta is 5, and it is given alpha minus beta 1. Alpha plus beta we got 5. Alpha minus beta given as 1. Now add these two equations. Alpha plus alpha 2 alpha minus beta plus beta get cancelled, 6. Alpha 3. Alpha 3 means 1 0 we got. I think we can find out the value of k. Given we know, see, alpha 3, alpha plus beta 5, then beta is 2. We got both the zeros. Alpha 3, alpha plus beta 5, then beta is 2. We got alpha and we got beta both. Now, how to find out the value of k? Since alpha is 3, it must satisfy the given polynomial. Given alpha and beta are zeros of this polynomial, that means alpha must satisfy the given polynomial. That means 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus k is equal to 0. It must satisfy. So 9 minus 15 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 6 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to 6. So k value 6. It is given that alpha and beta are the zeros of x square minus 5x plus k. That means alpha as well as beta must satisfy. It must satisfy the given polynomial. So I am considering alpha over there. I got k6. So what happens if beta, if I consider? Beta is also a 0, na? Beta is also a 0. That means beta also must satisfy the given polynomial. Beta also must satisfy the given polynomial. Is that right? Let us see. 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. 4 minus 10 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 6 plus k is equal to 0. K6. Whatever you take, either alpha or beta, k value doesn't changes. That is what you have to understand. Understood, children? Next question. Find the zeros of 4 root 3x square plus 5x plus 2 root 3 and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients, children. Find the zeros of 4 root 3x square plus 5x plus 2 root 3 and also verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Children, fast, find out the zeros fast. Waiting for your answers. Find out the zeros. I'm not getting answers. Why you are taking this much time? Easy question. Do splitting the middle term. 4 root 3 into 2 root 3, how much? 8 3s are 24. 4 2s are 8, root 3 into root 3, 3, 24. So we need to split 24 into 2 parts such that the sum is this is negative, so then this is negative. It is my fault. 4 root 3 into negative 2 root 3 will get negative 24. So we need to search for two numbers whose sum is negative 24, product is negative 24 and sum is negative positive 5. Eight threes are 24. 8 into negative 3, negative 24. 8 minus 3, 5. So 4 root 3x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. Now what we can take common from 2, first to 4x common. Root 3x plus 2. And from the next 2 we can take minus root 3 common. Root 3x plus 2. Again root 3x plus 2 common. 4x minus root 3. So the zeros of this one is minus 2 by root 3 and 0 of this one is root 3 by 4. Okay. 0 of root 3x plus 2 is minus 2 by root 3 and 0 of 4x minus root 3 is root 3 by 4. Now, sum of zeros. Let alpha minus 2 by root 3. Rationalize denominator. Minus 2 root 3 by 3, root 3 by 4. These are the zeros. Means don't try to keep irrational number in the denominator. So minus 2 root 3 by 3 and the beta is root 3 by 4. So alpha plus beta minus 2 root 3 by 3 plus root 3 by 4. Now LCM is 12. Minus 8 root 3 root 3. So alpha plus beta minus 5 root 3 by 12. Okay. And alpha beta is minus 2 root 3 by 3 into root 3 by 4. So together it is minus 6 by 12, which is negative 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2. Sum of zeros minus 5 root 3 by 12 and product of zeros negative 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. Now what is minus b by a? Minus 5 by 4 root 3. Minus 5 by 4 root 3. That means we can simplify this one further. Minus 5 root 3 by 4 into root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 get cancelled. Minus 5 by 4 root 3. Higher order thinking that. This higher order questioning. చూసారా ఎంత ట్రిక్కీగా ఉందో? చూడటానికి అయితే సింపుల్ గా ఉంది కానీ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ జీరోస్ అండ్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ చూడండి ఎంత టఫ్ గా ఉందో. Actually alpha plus beta we got minus 5 root 3 by 12. So 12 we need to write like this, 4 into root 3 into root 3. 12 we need to write like that. 12 is equal to 4 into root 3 into root 3. Now C by A. C by A minus 2 root 3 by 4 root 3. Root 3 cancel. Negative 1 by 2. So alpha plus beta we got minus 5 by 4 root 3, which is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta we got negative 1 by 2, which is equal to c by a. Okay children. The verifying relation between zeros and coefficients is the higher order. Either note down or take a screenshot of it. Next, see, find the polynomial whose zeros are 5 and negative 3. Find the polynomial whose zeros are 5 and negative 3. Fast. Make it fast, children. Find the polynomial whose zeros are negative 5 and negative 3. X square plus 2x minus 15. Tejal's answer. Which is right? Is that right? So what is the formula I told? Can anyone say? When the zeros are given? Girish Nandan, wrong. Why you got is equal to in the middle? I gave you a formula. If alpha comma beta are zeros, then x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is the polynomial. If alpha beta are the zeros, then x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is the polynomial. Now substitute the values. So x square minus 2x minus 15. This is the correct question answer. So everyone is wrong. Everyone wrong, I told you, na? Muhammad Hamza wrong, I told you, everyone wrong. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Alpha is 5, beta minus 3. 5 plus minus 3 it is 2, so minus 2x. X square minus 2x minus 15 is the correct answer. So everyone wrote plus 2x, which is wrong. Now, two by 3, 3 by 4 are the zeros of a polynomial. Find the polynomial. మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి తీసుకొచ్చారు నన్ను. 2/3, 3/4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Find the polynomial. First PA1 you got very good answers, very good marks because of the chapters. But the PA2 polynomials as well as pair of linear equation in two variable are going to include in that. Total 5 chapters will be you are having exam. Full enjoying your even 1 hour also you are not trying to take the books at home. X square minus 2/3 plus 3/4 times of x plus 2/3 into 3/4 x square minus 12 LCM 3 4s 8 4 3s 9 into x 3 3 get cancelled 1/2. So x square minus 17/12 plus 1/2. And this get you better get
max is
అయితే చాలా వస్తాయి. ఏదంటే ఫ్రేమ్ తీసుకుంటే ఒక 500 500 తీసుకెళ్ళాలి ఊరి. ఓకేనా? Yeah, today's last question. If 1 0 of if 1 0 of 3x square plus 8x plus k is reciprocal of the other, find the value of k. This is the question, children. If 1 0 of the polynomial 3x square plus 8x plus k is reciprocal of the other, find the value of k. This is the question. We know, let us assume alpha comma beta are zeros of 3x square plus 8x plus k. Let us assume alpha comma beta are zeros of 3x square plus 8x plus k. Okay. And it is also given that alpha is equal to 1 by beta, 1 0 and the others reciprocal, both are equal. Alpha is equal to 1 by beta, 1 0 is reciprocal of the other. This is what you have to understand. 1 0 is reciprocal of the other. That means both the zeros are reciprocal to each other. Alpha is 1 by beta. We know alpha beta is c by a from the relation between zeros and quotients. We know alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay na? Now substitute the values. Alpha We can replace alpha with 1 by beta. Is that right? This is given na? We can replace alpha with 1 by beta because it is given that 1 0 is reciprocal of the other. So 1 by beta into beta is equal to C and K by A and 3. We know A3, B8, CK. Okay, now these two get cancelled. 1 is equal to K by 3, then K is equal to 3. 1 is equal to K by 3, then K is equal to 3. Okay, children? Okay. So that's all for today. Again we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you very much. But don't forget the project to complete. It is for 24 internal marks. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataye. If you like this class, click on the like button.